Hi, thanks for watching. If you're like me and have a 2022, a newer Yamaha MT07 and find the factory headlight really ugly and want more of a classic look, hanging around through the video, I'll kind of show you what my bike looks like, what I did to fix it, and I've got some schematics for you if you want to do it yourself. So when I originally wanted to swap out this headlight, I was trying to keep it factory and reuse the same wiring and trying to make a relay harness to work with the factory module, and it just didn't work out. And I couldn't find a whole lot online as far as what was going on with the wiring, so I ended up basically redesigning my own module to replace the factory light control module. It's really basic. It's just a 2-relay setup. And I designed this light control module in CAD because I was going to make this a production piece and sell them as an easy plug-and-play solution for somebody. But after soldering the wires in my first one, it was kind of a lot of work for me, and I couldn't see it being viable to sell. So I'm happy to throw the schematics up here. And anyways, if you have any questions, I'm happy to help answer anything. It's pretty straightforward. I don't know if you can read my writing in the pictures. It's kind of hard to see. But what's basically happening is one of the power wires for the headlight goes to ground when you switch it on, and one of them turns to power when you turn the brights on, and the other is just a ground and a power, and that's on the right side that goes into the control module, and the left side connectors coming out of the control module are the wires that go up to the headlight. So for me, I bought the factory connector to plug in, so I bought my headlight. I crimped it all together. And so it's basically a plug-and-play solution for me, and it even, I modeled it so that the factory rubber boot would slip in so it would just fit right in place, just for a nice clean look. So one thing to note, the factory control module, it was like a 15 watt and a 30 watt for the high and the low beam, and it's a 7.5 amp fuse. So for mine, for safety, I made sure I stuck with an LED headlight assembly, and it puts out 75 watts, which would put it about 6.25 amps. Anyway, so I would definitely cap it out at like a 6 amp headlight if you can, just to be safe.